Hello friends, in last lecture we are discussed the things of intellectual property rights and their different categories that are copyright, patents, trademarks, machine design, industrial design. Okay. Also we discuss about the premises of an intellectual property. Now next we are today going to discuss the things related to the balancing the rights of the owner of the IP and the society, informants of intellectual property rights, next intellectual property in and constitution of India. Now next, just like any other right granted to us by our constitution, the intellectual property rights are able to absolute but are limited by the rights of fellow citizens and the right of the society. Yes, exactly. The rights are strongly guided by the consideration which is to be state has to provide an equal access to opportunities to the personnel to all its citizens while protecting the intellectual property right individuals. Thus, it becomes the responsibility of the state to harmonize the conflicting claims and maintain a balance during the intellectual property. The intellectual property rights are essentially negative rights that are they stop other from copying or counterfeiting the intellectual property of an individual or an organization. The state seeks to safeguard the rights of other individuals by adopting the mechanisms of limiting period of the time and make the preservation of a life, environment, peace and moral important factors in the grant of a life. So these are the few things which are related to the balancing the rights of the owner of the IP and the society. This is the responsibility of that individual state to provide the they provide the opportunities and provide the premises to the individual or the personal for their personal for their performance. Now next, the informants of intellectual property rights informants should be fair and equitable. Now next, while in most contract the rights and the obligations of the contracting parties are clearly laid down and disputes that may arise in connection with the contract which is to be solved on the basis of the provisions in the contract itself. Intellectual property rights are different from this contract in they are aim at excluding other from the doing certain thing which is to be regard the IP, that is intellectual property. The national law which provide the legal framework for dealing with the intellectual property rights violation. In addition to this, the agreement also provide the curtain guidelines. So there are few guidelines which are available as per the agreement and also provide lay down the curtain condition to be fulfilled for the effectiveness of informants of the intellectual property rights. Now these are the procedure of intellectual property rights are informant should be fair and equitable. Yes, the process should be fair and equitable. It should be simple, not complicated. If any person wanted to file the patent, the process should be fair and simple. If that process is complicated, now what we are going to do? We are going to demoralize that personnel, demoralize that employee, demoralize that human being. So in future he is not trying to do anything, not trying to do any innovations thing. It should be speedy. Okay, that process should be speedy. If I am filing the patent now, the process should be speedy. If that patent is not filed between the that particular duration, that there may be chances that the new thing might be stolen by the steal by the owner another person. Okay, so at that time the author what should do? Okay, now next, the parties involved should enjoy the right to the parties which are available or enjoy in that uh, which is to be involved in that patent filing. So that party should enjoy that rights. Okay, be heard. Next, produce evidence, get a written decision known as judicial review. So these are the few things which are certain condition which is to be fulfilled for the effective performance of the intellectual property rights. Now next, intellectual property and Constitution of an India. The Constitution of an India mention the patents, invention and design, copyright, trademarks, and merchandise, which is under the entry of 49 of the Union List of Matters, which is falling within the Union government for the purpose of legislation. There is no any specific mention of intellectual property in the constitution, which is to be generally means tangible property. However, in intellectual property as a form of property which can be put under the article 300A, we deal with the property and its entitled legal right. So what we are discussed in Constitution of an India, these things are already discussed in the entry of 49 under the article of 300A, and which deal with the property, which deals with the intellectual property and the legal recognition for the this creation of a mind. Okay, now it has been observed that the expert which there may be situation where the intellectual property right of a personal, especially the copyright, clashes with the fundamental right to freedom of a speech and expression which is granted to all the citizens by the Constitution of India. The court have always tried to safeguard and the fundamental rights of the citizen, especially the freedom of speech and expression. Now next, in any other right which is to be poses a threat to freedom, speech and expression of a people is likely to face the challenges. Okay, so these are the few things which are already discussed or which is to be already described in a Constitution of an India under the entry of 49, the article 300A, that describe the legal recognition for creation of a mind. Now in next we are going to discuss about the patent system, patent invention. Okay, thank you.